Hey, welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Uh, Picked up a little auction win. Uh, got a handful of, well, more than a handful, quite a few, either rusty, crusty, cheap, who knows. Combination wrenches. Uh, Only way to find out is to throw a few bucks at it, see if there's anything that I don't have, anything that looks cool. But you want to hang out? Let's go check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Got all this for $7.50. I do see one that I like. It's in pretty rough shape. Go to Los Angeles. Put that over here in the keeper pile. Sorry about this. It might be a while, so you might want to bail out or whatever. Westling or Westline. Good old chrome vanadium. Send that to the side. That's in rough shape. Oh, that's kind of cool. No name, but Drop Forge USA. That's a keeper. Forged USA 5/8, alloy steel 9/16. Oh, cool. Wizard. Never seen one silver. Don't know if this is coated, painted, or it was coated for a reason. May have to dig that one up. Workshops, Korea. Forge, Taiwan. Century, Japan. Never heard of Century. Well, that's a high dollar one. That's going to scrap. USA Drop Forge, 3/4 5/8. Chrome's blowing up on it, but I like it. Drop Forge US 3/4. No name that I can see. Ooh, Sparkle of Buffalo. Chrome vanadium steel. So it definitely looks like this one kind of goes around the corner. This I may have to work on and see if I can straighten with the press. The big one. 15/16. No name. I don't care. I like it. True Fit USA. Electrolyte. See if I can go through these a little faster. Super Wrench USA. J.H. Williams. This thing is in rough shape. But Cal, Japan, another one in rough shape. Forged USA, metric. Wizard. Cool. I think that's my first metric wizard. Gador. I recognize those marks. Another wizard. From Vanadium, India. MFD Penance Corp, Chicago. Not sure what that says underneath that, so put a hold on that. I want to give it a quick buzz. Well, going to have to put a little elbow grease in that one. That's a Barklow Buffalo. Gonna put me to the test, see if I can make this even look right. India. Forged USA. Electrolyte. Chrome's coming off, but we'll see what I can do. Drop forged somewhere. Challenger. Possible proto. 2818. I'm going to blast these two up. Drop forged. Made in USA. Oh, electrolyte. I love these little short double box ends with the deep. Made in USA. Velchek, however you pronounce it. They're in rough shape, but I'll give them a shot. Yeah, manufactured USA, Challenger. Not sure if I can bring them back, but I'll give them a try. Chrome Vanadium, India. The Workshop, Korea. I think, oh, Billings. Oh, check that one out. Master Mechanic. I have never seen one with a design like that. That's kind of wild. Quality steel. USA 17 millimeter. Unknown. Drop forged Taiwan, 14 millimeter. India. Drop forged something. Yeah, it's just drop forged. India. All trade. USA. Oh, Blackhawk. Let's see if I can work on that one too. Unknown India. I may have already looked at that one. India. Oh, there we go. Whoever lost their 10 millimeter, here it is. Stanley. Stanley USA, no less. Excellent condition. Oh, I'm sure this is a freebie somewhere, but because it's weird, it's odd, I'm keeping it. And that's got to be the other half of the wonderful. Nope, totally different. That was an old US tool that got cut up. Quality Steel, Japan. Japan, Syntec. No idea. Zeb 10 says USA 5/16. Cool. I'll have to dig into that one. Taiwan. Junk. Whole bunch of these stamped. Oh wait, it's still stamped, but that's Oxwall. There's Quality Steel, Oxwall. I swear I get these in almost every lot I get. Quality Steel. A whole bunch of Quality Steel. These are good for one turn. Once you get past that turn, they're done. Looks like I'll be giving these away till 8,640 years from now. Who knows? A whole lot of Quality Steel. Yeah, Quality Steel, I guarantee you, I'll bend these things with my fingers. Oh, that's an actual Oxwall that's a little thicker. Probably got 5 or 10 sets of those. Up. That one's different. Quality steel, quality steel, quality steel, quality steel. Whole lot of quality steel. Excuse me. Industro Manufacturing, 7/16, Chicago, USA. So it's going to take me quite a bit of time to even attempt to clean these, sort through these, see what I want to keep or what I don't want to keep. Got to get that price tag off, but I really like that Master Mechanic with that shape. That's cool. But thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good day. Good luck. Good hunting. Catch you next time.